The police are to get a new headquarters. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang made the announcement today as he opened the sectoral debate in the House. It is to be built in an area known as No Man's Land in Western Kingston.
We'll be creating in the heart of downtown Kingston, in the 40 acres of land known as No Man's Land, the first purpose-built police headquarters in Jamaica.
The National Security Minister on the new facility to accommodate over 2,500 policemen and women. It will house units such as those specializing in narcotics, cybercrime, as well as personnel attached to the National Intelligence Bureau and the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigative Branch.
This multifaceted headquarters will have customer-friendly reception areas as well. Green space around is a big area to ensure strong, acceptable community interface. We do not intend to dislocate the people and throw them out of Western Kingston or Southern St. Andrew. The National Trust will undertake to ensure provision be made for all socio-economic groupings in the region, adequately accommodated.
400 police professionals will get up-to-date living quarters with state-of-the-art equipment and appropriate furnishings with the construction of Mobile West in Montego Bay, St. James. The public too can expect improvements. Police stations will get proper reception areas.
This guard room business, that little narrow space where people have to go and speak, is grossly inappropriate for any kind of public office.
That's right. That's right.
Interview rooms will be especially designed to ensure privacy, yet transparency of the officers recording statements and the citizens who come in to file sensitive complaints.
Plus, 10 police stations will also be built. That includes Spanish Town, Savannah Lamar, Port Antonio, Anchovy and Olympic Gardens. But how will those officers move around?
Last year, the JCF received 260 new motor vehicles and 100 motorbikes. This year, we are proceeding to expand by adding, we anticipate about 400 motor vehicles and 60 new bikes.
And with the used car scandal still haunting the administration, an assurance from Dr. Horace Chang.
I'd just like to take the opportunity to remind this Honourable House that the proper procurement procedures were followed. This ministry will ensure the government recovers its full money. Going forward, however, Mr. Speaker, going forward, all suppliers, though none, to the Ministry of National Security will be vigorously vetted for financial viability before contracts are awarded in any matter.
Meanwhile, as the security forces use more technology to fight crime, Dr. Chang indicated that come September, the Jamaica Eye program will be fully active in the corporate area, Spanish Town, Ocho Rios, Negril and Montego Bay.
With approximately 1,000 camera feeds to be monitored. It will have the requisite monitoring system to collect and store high-quality footage that can be used as evidence in our courts.